YouTube, hear me as a TriStars. I check in with a big bad mechanic from out of Toronto, you know what I mean, Mississauga. I know everybody been asking about the video, you know, me carry the truck by the mechanic, or me not do no video, the mechanic or no. I just patient and time, you know what I mean? The boss himself, Damien, real Dan.
Otherwise known as Yellow.
Yellow, see that now?
So, DSL Diesel, that are the garage name, and it's done by Mississauga 5404 Meangate Drive.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
TriStar is here again. He's just popping. I was just having some work getting done outside here, but
yeah,
just a check in and update on some stuff that he have done to the truck. Where when he brought the truck to me first time, I go through it like a fine teeth comb. I never find nothing much. It was good enough to pass the safety, brake check, light, everything go through smooth. But a couple of things was drawn to my attention where like those Volvo at that here, it's our that VN.
Yeah,
it's our 2013.
2013.
Okay, so it have a automatic transmission. I think that one is a I-shift. Yeah. So by checking the truck, shaking drive line from the front to the back, I have attention with the output yoke and the tranny itself. It have excessive play, and also the wear drive input and the wear diff have excessive play also. So the differential inspect, both of them, I see the oil was like milky, and one of the breather was like plugged. So I guess with condensation and stuff like that, it just get aerated. So we just change two breather, change all the file, stuff like that, and do a adjustment and the input for the diff and change the seal also. So most likely the most thing that I wouldn't want to touch too much because he just bought the truck at least. I sent him to the dealer, they check it out and said the transmission is no good. So I guess the guy never really want to help him in that area, so he have to take everything on himself. So, you know, he get the tranny change, the truck is back on the road now, and we're just gonna leave the rest for him to say right now because
you know, it's like, you know, me I do the video, right, but I want to do it I did nothing, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I want to be straightforward, I want to make everyone know, you know, everything never just cookie, crispy and all that, you know?
Yeah.
So the whole thing behind this is when you can find yourself with a good mechanic, we can tell you, say, you know what?
Are some good people.
Yeah, basically some good people. We start off this thing here, fear, and we go finish it fear. And the mechanic run through it, and he never hesitate to tell me what happened, what take place, and the whole work, you know? So other than that, so what else you're really doing in terms of the service and everything?
Well, with the service, I don't try to cut corner. I just try to put back OEM, even the filter, right? OEM filter, and in this weather, a lot of people run Delo, stuff like that. And at this moment, TriStar have an aisle that you want to check out, right?
Yeah.
Like what's that aisle? It's AMSAIL?
AMSAIL, yeah.
Yeah, but eventually you get one where like it's 5W30, and like for heavy duty application you don't want to use 5. You don't want to use the lowest 10W30. And so most likely you're gonna just refund that aisle where you purchase it and then get at least 10W30. And that aisle, I guess you can run X amount of kilometer on it because it's synthetic. So most likely you know.
Yeah.
You do a research on it, right?
Yeah. It's just that, you know.
Yeah.
The person that sell the oil stated that it was equivalent for the truck, but the mechanic have doubts, and plus he told me to call Volvo dealer. The dealer are the same talk as the mechanic, so you know what? The seller can't say anything, but the mechanic know what's going on, right? So,
well, at the same time, the guy never rang because, you know, in this country, the pickup truck would be like a big highway tractor where like it a truck.
Oh, okay.
But at the same time, it's
so
based on the application, you know what I mean?
Okay.
Yeah. So,
I got you.
And he's selling something that he want to sell. He's a salesman. I guess if he sells something, that's how you're gonna make money, right? Return it and get the one that you.
All right.
Yeah,
which is right.
Good.
So, what if somebody want to contact you? What if somebody want to come here to get them truck fixed?
Well,
what they really offer?
I offer a lot, and like I haven't get set up big time yet. Like I guess I have a couple of stuff to learn from you. But if you should ever Google like DSL Diesel 5404 Main Gate Drive, Mississauga, you have a guy that he was at this location before, and like if you look on it, you're not gonna see much star for me where like my star is already shining because I'm yellow. You know what I mean?
Okay.
But that guy, I guess you're gonna have some bad reviews and him, and he's gonna just brush off on me because of the location. You know what I mean?
Okay. So basically, you take over a location from somebody with not good reviews.
With not good reviews.
Okay. So I guess you got to build it back right now.
Well, you know what? The only thing I could do to erase that from my record now, where like if you should pull up DSL Diesel, as I said, most likely the person name who have that bad reviews, their name is inside the comments. Okay. So you guys will also see that, but you will see my number on the DSL site there, as I'm saying. So once you get in touch with me or contact, then we can go through a couple of stuff that I can get done on your truck or guide you the right way if you wasn't going that direction first time.
Okay.
Right?
So what you offer? You offer you can do the road pass.
Like I'm a certified 310T heavy duty mechanic, and I can do an inspection on your vehicle to get it passed for safety, annual and 3060, right? So most likely I do valve adjustment, oil change. Anything you bring to me, I'm not gonna refuse it because a job is a job, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
So about engine, rebuild engine.
Rebuild, Cat, Cummins, all the engine you think of, once it's on wheels. I'm not gonna turn it down because what I can do, I will just open the book, and mechanic is just mechanic. It's only one way you can tighten a bolt. Okay. Unless you have a reverse thread and that you got your bucket way, right? You know. You know what I mean? Well,
there you have it, YouTube fans and friends and family. I mean, Yellow. I mean, all the way from Mississauga.
Yeah.
Gateway.
No, Main Gate.
Main Gate. Yeah. Oh, Main Gate.
Yeah. Man.
Okay. Main Gate Drive.
Main Gate Drive. Yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna leave a link in the description. I'll leave like your email, your contacts, address.
Yeah, you can do that. I'm gonna give you all those info.
Alright, so that everybody can make a contact and connect. That's what I say, say a Jamaican link up, and as I say, one take go buy a truck and you go deal with it. So if somebody go buy them truck and them need, because when me do wrong, I never carry you up on the spot.
Yeah.
So if somebody want to go buy a truck and want to get you to come and check that truck out, how then go?
Well, it will come with a service call, and most likely I'm not gonna give somebody something where they don't want. And like, I'm in this business to make money just like the person who's gonna buy the truck. So it's just fair.
Yeah.
If you give me something, we can get the job done. Just come and have a look on it with you. Most likely check the blow by, pull the dipstick, check for pressure in the coolant reservoir, stuff like that. Nothing much, just some simple stuff.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, okay.
Just not to buy a pussy in a bag. You don't want to do that. They will run away, right?
so I guess you have the dealer plate too.
You have a dealer plate also, so I can always forward it with me. So if the person really interested to get that truck, bring it right here. Certification through the door. That's what you want, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. There you have it, YouTube. As I say, TriStars Yellow Mechanic.
Yeah.
We just finish up the video now, but we just ask you, which part of Jamaica? Yeah, come.
Yeah, man, from Clarendon, as them say, the capital. I'm a me pen a Clarendon, but them know say me pen and no play pen. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Like me, I come from man like say Alfred Donovan.
Yeah.
Bob, that I'm a bigger brother.
Yeah.
And the whole works. You know what I'm saying?
Alright.
And like them two man, the main man, them me talk about, they're not around anymore. But me I tell you something. We always have like one bad truck down at Jamaica, you know, brother. And
Okay.
like, named Wicked Machine.
So the truck name Wicked Machine?
Wicked Machine. That we used bust the garage back in the days.
Oh, okay.
Like in around 98 and them time there, you know what I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Them truck all that run a red dirt. None could hold that truck there red dirt, man. Kill
See that
everything,
now, see
man.
that now.
But may I say, right now, I'm here the last sibling out of all of the name them we hear me call just now.
Okay.
I mean, I tell you, say, they man the name of a rise again. And you see that Wicked Machine there? Enough boy down the yard, they feel like say they have some wicked truck. They come back with some mad. Them to know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so anybody down here, they want to big up? Like,
Yeah, man, like say, Bob, that I'm a bigger brother, you have you down there like Squeak.
Yeah.
You big up all of my entourage. All I man them I know yellow. And we just there see him, we are going easy back. But me I tell you say we have something wicked that come pick up on the road. Me I tell you say, the man them we are talking about M14 and some little truck we not going away. Like them a turn up aisle and them thing there.
yeah.
And like them now come with
power.
a computer where have the right tune and stuff like that with a airflow and all them fuel management and them thing there. Yo, we have everything locking at them, you know.
Alright, so that now.
Yeah, man.
so
Like
now.
me I say, when we talk about ass powers, or that we talk about, like some whole heap of ass around them, you know. Yeah, man.
Mad thing.
When we change parts in a engine to get the right thing, we are go from piston,
Yeah.
turbocharger, fuel pump, injector, camshaft.
Okay.
So I not only the ECM alone are the work we're supposed to do. Cause it don't leave too much work on one person. Like we are like say if most likely a 6-cylinder engine use 6 pistons.
Yeah.
And like if 6 pistons are run and all of them now get the same amount of fuel, I guess maybe one of them will get more burden and one of them will just get burned out over a period of time,
Mash
right?
up the engine quick
So
time.
then you are talking about power. You know what I'm saying? If you want power, you have to give everything
Go all
an
in
equal
and
share.
yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And that we are gonna do.
Alright.
So people who talk about bad truck and them stuff there, them will see it. May I tell you, Wicked Machine out the back on the road again, them you know.
Alright, my boy.
Yeah, man.
Respect and thanks you tune in. You don't know. Respect again, you know.
Just cool, man. I know me saying,
Alright, my boy.
yes,
Respect.
for real.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.